Glass fuses are often used to protect appliances and consumer electronics. The kit comes with good quality plastic box with a separator to keep the glass fuse in a sorted manner. This product is suitable for home appliances, electronic appliances, automotive, instrumentation, electronic toys, and other fields, and suitable for college students, engineers, technicians, factories, and DIY electronic enthusiasts. These glass tube fuses have a transparent design, and the internal fuses can be clearly seen for easy observation. The box has 100 distributed units in 10 different compartments, which is used for ideal for automotive electronics, electric inverters, photography spotlights, and any electrical device. When the circuit is failed or abnormal, in this case, this fuse assorted kit is a good choice for you.